What can damage the skin barrier? Well, sometimes we are our own worst enemy. Now, did you know that every day your skin confronts a barrage of threats, many of which come from outside of your body and a few that actually come from inside of your body? So, in this video, we are going to dig a little deeper into how we damage the skin barrier. Hello, my name is Dr. Saida Abdus-Salam, and I am the founder and CEO of the Memphis Center for Aesthetic Medicine and the Shawishi Skincare Collection. I am a board-certified family practitioner with fellowship training in cosmetics and aesthetics. And I established my skincare line in 2017 after realizing that in my clinical practice, where I primarily treat ethnic skin, my patients were seeking my care because they were struggling with not only representation and access in the aesthetics arena, but were also frustrated with how to properly care for their skin. Now, in our last video, we talked about what exactly is the skin barrier. Remember, the outermost layer of the epidermis, or that tippity top part of the skin, is called the skin barrier. So, if you missed it, check out my last video to get the full scoop. Trust me, you're going to be a pro before you know it, all right? Now, if you're smitten with me as much as I am with you, hit that subscribe button to follow me for more content. Ask me all of your skin-related questions in the comments section and share this video with your peeps, all right? Because keeping beauty secrets to yourself is downright shameful. All right, let's carry on. Now, there are both external and internal conditions that can affect your skin barrier. So these are things like an environment that's either too humid or too dry, allergens or irritants, and pollutants. Now, this is the stuff that we actually put on our skin and the environment that we subject our skin to, all right? Also, things like too much sun exposure, certain soaps and detergents that are too alkaline and too drying on the skin. Also, exposure to harsh chemicals, and actually over-exfoliation or overwashing the skin, all right? And the things that we just can't change and things we can't run away from. And that would be genetic factors that make you prone to more skin conditions, things like eczema and psoriasis, right? Now, let me school you a little bit. All right. So firstly, the skin barrier is slightly acidic. This acidity helps to create a kind of buffer against the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can damage the skin and lead to infections and other skin conditions, all right? And this can result in inflammation, all right? I want you to remember that. And this inflammation leads to hyperpigmentation. That's the most frustrating thing to most people with melanated complexions. So this is why it's especially important to protect the skin barrier, because you see a protective skin barrier makes it easier to maintain a flawless and even tone complexion, okay? And that's what we're all looking for. So this now begs the question, how can you tell if your skin barrier is damaged? Well, glad you asked, all right? When your skin barrier isn't functioning properly, your skin may feel dry or scaly. It may feel itchy. You may have rough or discolored patches. Your acne starts to flare. Your skin feels sensitive or inflamed, and you may develop skin infections, all right? So far, we've explored the different roles the barrier function plays, and depending on your skin, what your skin must contend with, and how it can appear in different ways. I've also shared why it is so essential to take care of your skin and why it's important to always protect that skin barrier. Today, we talked about how you can learn to listen to what your skin may be trying to communicate with you. And all of these things we just discussed are indications of a compromised skin barrier. Now, in our next video, we're going to discuss how to protect and restore your skin barrier. All right? Okay, see you soon. Bye.